children. Welcome to maths class. We have completed 2 chapters. We are in 3rd chapter, subtraction of numbers. Subtraction of numbers. Subtraction means we taken away one number from another number. That means big number minus small number. We taken away small number from the big number. Minus is symbol for subtraction. After subtraction, we get a number that is called difference. The result of subtraction is called difference. Okay? Subtraction, we take away small number from the big number. Minus is symbol for subtraction. The difference is called result of subtraction. The result of subtraction is called difference. Difference equal to big number minus small number. Okay? Already you learnt how to do 2-digit number subtraction. Okay? 2-digit 10 to 99. Next 3-digit numbers. In 3-digit numbers without regrouping, with regrouping. In 2-digit numbers also without regrouping, with regrouping. Okay? Can I show first? I am going to show example. Next goes to 4-digit number subtractions. Okay? Come on, let us see the examples. You take your homework book and watch the video and practice. Okay? Come on. 97 minus 44. 83 minus 37. Subtraction of 2-digit numbers. 97 minus 44. Ones place, tens place. Subtraction also start from ones place. 7 minus 4. 7 is greater than 4. Subtraction is possible. Here we are going to using close fingers. Close all the fingers. Start counting lower number to till you get upper number in counting. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 3. Okay? 7 minus 4, 3. Now subtract tens. 9 minus 4. 9 is greater than 4. Subtraction is possible. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 5. That means the difference goes to 53. This is without regrouping. Now come to here. 83 minus 37. Start from ones place. 3 minus 7. 3 is less than 7. 3 is small. 7 is big. Subtraction is not possible. Then with regrouping means borrowing. We borrow one number from tens to ones. One number moving from tens place to ones place. One number moving from tens place to ones place. Then 3 changes into 13. 8 changes into 7. When we are going to using borrowing concept, at a time you have to change ones number and tens number. Here regrouping tens to ones. Tens to ones. That means one number moving from tens to ones. Now 3 changes into 13. 8 changes into 7. 10 and 3 make 13. Now 13 is big. 7 is small. Come on. Close fingers. 7 after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6. Now 7 minus 3. Close fingers. 3 after 4. 5, 6, 7. 4. This is going to regrouping tens to ones. Regrouping tens to ones. Are you understood? Come on, observe. Regrouping from tens to ones. Come on, observe both. First one is 97 minus 44. Second one is 83 minus 37. First one, ones place number is 7 is greater than 4. Here subtraction is possible. Here 3 is less than 7. Here subtraction is not possible. Then using concept of borrowing. Now go to next one. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers. 100 to 999. 678 minus 243. 894 minus 276. Come on. Subtraction start from ones place. These are ones. 8 minus 3. 8 is greater than 3. Subtraction is possible. Close fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5. Now subtract 10. 7 minus 4. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 3. Now 6 minus 2. Close fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. The difference goes to 435. To start counting 3 after till we get 8 in the counting, then how many fingers you raise, that is answer. Once again, 8 minus 3 possible. Close fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 5. 8 minus 3, 5. 7 minus 4, 3. 6 minus 2, 4. Now come to here. 894 minus 276. Start from ones place. 4 is less than 6. Subtraction is not possible. Subtraction means big number is up, small number is down. Here 4 is less than 6. Using concept of borrowing. Concept of borrowing means one number moving from tens place to ones place. Then 4 becomes 14. 9 changes into 8. This is going to regrouping from tens to ones. That means one number moving from tens place to ones place. Now 14 minus 6. Close fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers raised? 8. 14 minus 6, 8. Now 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7. Close fingers. 7 after 8, 1. Now 8 minus 2. Close fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6. This is going to regrouping from tens to ones. One number moving from tens place to ones place. Another example. 923 minus 478. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Come on, start from ones. 3 is less than 8. Subtraction is not possible. Regrouping from tens to ones. One number moving from tens place to ones place. Then 3 changes into 13. 2 changes into 1. At a time you have to change tens place number and ones place number. Now 13 minus 8. Close fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5. Now subtract tens. 1 minus 7. Not possible. Again regrouping from hundreds to tens. One number moving from hundreds place to tens place. Then 1 becomes 11. 9 changes into 8. 1 becomes 11. 9 changes into 8. Now tens. 11 minus 7. Close fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 4. Now hundreds. 8 minus 4. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. Come on, my dear children. Observe. Regrouping from tens to ones. One number moving from tens to ones place. Here, regrouping from hundreds to tens, tens to ones, twice. Okay, here we are using concept one time. Here using two times. Another example. This is going to subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping, with regrouping. One more example. 740 minus 374. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Number minus 0 is possible, but 0 minus number is not possible. 0 is less than 4. Here also using borrowing concept. One number moving from tens to ones. One number moving from tens to ones. Then 0 becomes 10. 4 changes into 3. Understood the concept? One number moving from tens to ones. That means 0 becomes 10. 4 changes into 3. Now 10 is greater than 4. Subtraction is possible. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6. Now tens. 3 minus 7. 3 is less than 7. Subtraction is not possible. Again using concept from hundreds to tens. Then 3 changes into 13. 7 becomes 6. 3 changes into 13. 7 becomes 6. Now 13 minus 7. Close fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6. Now hundreds. 6 minus 3. 7 changes into 6. Here using concept of borrowing. Close fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 3. The difference is 366. Another example. Are you understood the concept? Regrouping from tens to ones, hundreds to tens, two times. 856 minus 478. Both are 3-digit numbers. Minus is symbol for subtraction. Here we find out difference. Difference equal to big number minus small number. Start from ones. Observe the numbers. 6 is less than 8. Subtraction is not possible. Using borrowing concept. One number moving from tens to ones. 6 changes into 16. 5 changes into 4. At a time you have to change tens place number and ones place number. Now 16 minus 8. Close fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 8 fingers. 8 is difference. Right in the ones place. Now 4 minus 7. Not possible. 4 is less than 7. Again using concept, borrowing concept. One number moving from hundreds to tens. Left to right. One number moving from hundreds place to tens place. 4 becomes 14. 8 changes into 7. 4 changes into 14. 8 changes into 7. Now 14 minus 7. Close fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 7. Right in the tens place. Now come to hundreds. 7 minus 4. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 3. The difference is 378. The difference is 378. Understood, my dear children? Understood the concept? Here this is going to subtraction with regrouping from hundreds to tens, tens to ones. Here using two times. First number moving from tens to ones, next hundreds to tens. Understood? Can I give you another example? Let us see. (931 minus 673). Come on, look at the numbers. 931 minus 673. Start from ones place. Next subtract tens, then go to hundreds. 1 is less than 3. Subtraction is not possible. Using borrowing concept, one number moving from tens to ones, then ones number changes into 11. 1 changes into 11. 3 changes into 2. Now 11 minus 3. Close fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8. Now tens. 2 minus 7, not possible. Again borrowing concept. 2 changes into 12. 9 changes into 8. Now 12 minus 7. Close fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5. Now hundreds. 8 minus 6. Close fingers. 6 after 7, 8. 2. The difference goes to 258. 931 minus 673, 258. Here using concept of borrowing from tens to ones, hundreds to tens. Actually subtraction means big number minus small number. If upper number is small, we using concept of borrowing. After using concept, this number becomes more than this number. It should be more than this number. That's why here we are going to using concept of borrowing. Understood? Next one. Ready? Okay. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers. 4-digit. What is the first 4-digit number? Very good. 1000. What is the smallest 4-digit number? 1000. What is the greatest 4-digit number? 9999. That means all thousands are 4-digit numbers up to 9999. Okay? 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000 and 9999. These all the numbers are 4000. 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers. 4-digit means that number having 4 places. From right side onwards, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. O for ones, T for tens, H for hundreds, TH for thousands. Now read this number. 4375. Now read this number. 6184. 3050. Next one. 7509. 8195. All are 4-digit numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now how to do subtraction with 4-digit numbers? Subtraction means we take away small number from big number. We get difference. Difference is the result of subtraction. Difference is the result of subtraction. First one, subtraction of 4-digit number without regrouping. 8,658 minus 4,314. In 4-digit number also same method. Subtraction start from ones, next tens, next hundreds, then thousands. First subtract ones place number, write in the ones place. Next subtract tens place numbers, write in the tens place. Next subtract hundreds place number and write in the hundreds place. Then go to thousands place numbers and subtract thousands and write in the thousands place. Same method similar to 3-digit number subtraction. Start from ones. 8 minus 4. 8 is greater than 4. Subtraction is possible. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. 4. Now tens. 5 minus 1. Number minus 1 before number of the given number. That means 5 before 4. 5 minus 1, 4. Now hundreds. 6 minus 3. Close fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. 3. Now thousands. 8 minus 4. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. 4. We get the difference. This is answer. The result of subtraction is called difference. We get the difference by subtraction. 4,344. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Without regrouping. Another example. Are you understood? Very easy. How we are going to do 2-digit number subtraction? Like 3-digit number. Similar to 3-digit number subtraction. Same method we are going to using in 4-digit number also. 9,786 minus 4,051. Same method. First subtract ones. 6 is greater than 1. Subtraction is possible. Number minus 1. 6 before 5. 8 minus 5. Possible. Close fingers. 5 after 6. 7, 8, 3. Write 3 in the tens place. Now 7 minus 0. Number minus 0. Same number. Now thousands. 9 minus 4. Close fingers. 4 after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. 5. The difference is 5,735. 5,735. Observe. First subtract ones. Write in the ones place. Number minus 1 before number of 6. 8 minus 5. 3. Next hundreds. 7 minus 0. Number minus 0. Same number. Next thousands. 9 minus 4. 5. Same method. Another one. This is without regrouping. 7,945 minus 3,605. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. 7,945 minus 3,605. Start from ones. 5 minus 5. Subtract number from itself. The answer is 0. This is going to subtraction rules. Number minus 0 same number. Number minus 1 before number. number subtract from itself. That means like this. Number minus same number. The difference is 0. Okay. First one is we subtract 0 from the number. Answer is same number. We subtract 1 from a number. Answer is before number of the given number. We subtract number from itself. The answer is 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Here number minus 0, same number. Hundreds, 9 minus 6, using process. Close fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 3. Now thousands. 7 minus 3, close fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 4. The difference is 4,340. First subtract ones column numbers. Write in the ones place. Here both are same numbers, no difference. Here number minus 0, same number. 9 minus 6, 3. 7 minus 3, 4. Another example. You practice in your homework book. This is practition. I explain. You watch the video and write in your homework book. 5,863 minus 1,801. First subtract ones, next goes to tens, next hundreds, then thousands. 5,863 minus 1,801. Start from ones. Number minus 1 before number of 3. What comes before 3? 2. 6 minus 0. Number minus 0. Same number. 6. Number subtract from itself. Number minus same number. 0. Number minus 1. 5 before 4. Here I am not using fingers. Why? Here already we know the rules. Number minus 1, 3 before 2. Number minus 0, same number. Number subtract from itself, 0. Number minus 1, 4. 4,062. If you are using fingers also, same answer. 3 minus 1, close fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 2. 6 minus 0, same number. 8 minus 8, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. 4-digit number without regrouping. Another example. 4-digit means that number having 4 places. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 9,869 minus 4,860. Start from ones. Number minus 0, same number. Number subtract from itself. Number minus same number, 0. Again number minus same number, 0. Now 9 minus 4. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5. The difference is 5,009. 9,869 minus 4,860. The difference is 5,009. Another example. 6,666 minus 2,222. First number is 6,666. Second number is 2,222. Here also start from ones. 6 minus 2. It is possible. Close fingers. 2 after 3. 4, 5, 6. 4. Right. Again 6 minus 2. 4 tens. Again 6 minus 2. 4 hundreds. Again 6 minus 2. 4 thousands. The answer is 4,444. Start from ones. First subtract ones. Next subtract tens. Next subtract hundreds. Then go to thousands. Understood the concept? Okay. What is subtraction? Taken away small number from the big number. What is the symbol for subtraction? Minus. What is the result of subtraction? Difference. Number minus 0. That means we subtract 0 from a number. What is the answer? See, 9 minus 0. 9. 48 minus 0. 48. 325 minus 0. 325. 2478 minus 0. 2478. Number minus 0. The difference is same number. Why? 0 means nothing. That's why the answer goes to same number. Second rule, we subtract 1 from a number. The difference is before number of the given number or 1 less than the given number. 1 less than the given number. Simple word, before number of the given number. Let us see. 8 minus 1. 8 before. 7. 63 minus 1. 1 less than 63. 62. 478 minus 1. 1 less than 478. 477. 3564 minus 1. Before number of 3564. 3563. We subtract 1 from a number, 1 less than the given number or before number of the given number. 8 before 7. 63 before 62. 478 before 477. 3564 before 3563. This rule goes to, we subtract 1 from a number. Number lo nunchi 1 subtract cheste before number. Third one, number subtract from itself. Number subtract from itself. The difference is 0. 6 minus 6. Number subtract from itself. Number minus same number. 0. No difference. Difference means big number minus small number. Here both are same. 6 and 6 both are same. Next, 14 minus 14. 0. 78 minus 78. 0. 133 minus 133. 0. 4568 minus 4568. 0. These are the rules in the subtraction. We have to follow these rules. Number minus 0, number minus 1, number minus same number. Number minus 0, same number. Number minus 1, before number of the given number. Number subtract from itself. Answer is 0. Okay? We continue in the next class. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay, my dear children? And practice subtraction of 2-digit numbers, subtraction of 3-digit numbers in homework book and learn multiplication tables from 2 to 10. Okay, children? Thank you very much. Bye.